So number 21 reads 1 gallon of paint with a volume equal to 3.78 times 10 to the negative 3 meters cubed covers an area of 25.0 meters squared. What is the thickness of the fresh paint on the wool? So they give you two values. They give you volume, which is equal to 3.78 times 10 to the negative 3 meters cubed, and area, or the area that this gallon of paint is able to cover, which is 25 meters squared. Now, so first thing you do is write down your givens, which is the volume of the paint is equal to 3.78 times 10 to the negative 3 meters cubed, and the area of the paint is equal to 25.0 meters squared. Now volume is defined as length times width times height, and area is defined as length times width. And what you're trying to find is the thickness of the fresh paint, or its height. So if you look at it that way, you can set up an equation where area of the paint, which is area or length times width, multiply that by the height, what you're trying to find, and the volume of the paint, which is length times width times height. And this way you'll get even units on both sides. So now all that's left to do is isolate h, and you do that by dividing by area on both sides, and then just plug in the numbers. 3.78 times 10 to the negative 3 meters cubed over 25.0 meters squared, and you should get 1.51 times 10 to the negative 4 meters. Oh yeah, these cancel out, so you're just left with meters on the top. And if you move that over 2 decimal places to the right, you can simplify that to 151 micrometers, and that's your answer.